Like, why? Just why? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week we're doing purple. Yeah, I asked my Instagram what look do they want to see this week. Everybody chose purple. Yeah, I know I don't wear that color, right? And there's a reason for that. Because I personally don't like it on me. I don't know how to blend it for some reason. I don't know what colors to put with it. Okay. So just know this week is I'm gonna try to make it look cute much. It won't be nothing spectacular, okay? Don't even expect it. Alright, but anyways, this is what we got. It turned out cute. I guess somewhat it'll do. Okay, so if you want to see I got this look, then keep watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment, like, share, all that good stuff. Social media down below, Instagram, Facebook. Okay. Yeah. Ignore my background too, but we done for today. Okay, just know that. Okay, so since we're using purple, this is probably the most purple I have in one palette. This is the Looking Lash Playful palette, and I got this a few months ago. I barely use it. Yeah, I think I got it. It was cute with it. I was up at like 2 a.m. when I got this, just playing around. Yeah, so that's what happened. But we're gonna use this today and figure out something, okay? Because everybody on my Instagram wanted me to do purple this week, which is a color I do not like using. Like, it's my favorite color, but I do not use purple on my eyes, none whatsoever. So we'll see what we get this week, okay? Okay, so we'll take this shade called Sweet Cheeks, and it's like a light peachy pink color. And I want to kind of keep my shadow low today. Try to anyway.
Ryan Little.
Okay, then I'm gonna take Plum and Hooded Crease. Okay, I think I'm going to one more shade. It's a very dark purple in here. And okay, so it's two dark purples in here. It's called Sugar Plum and Obsessed. So I just mixed it together on the brush. Okay, so to deepen my crease up even more, I'm going to take and add some black. And I do this all the time. I just don't show it. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It just depends. I don't know. But this is how I get my crease to be so deep and dark. I add black in, and then I go back in with the color that was on top. And just blend it all together. Okay, so to cut my crease, I'm going to use the Inglot number 94. This is their gel eyeliner. And I usually use concealer first and then put this on top, but I'm trying something different to see if I like it better this way. Okay, so for my lid, I'm gonna take the Jlarue pigment in Angel Wings. It's like a purple, bluish, iridescent pigment. And then I am going to take Fairytale from Glow Up Academy. Y'all know Keke Adams. Okay, she has her cosmetic line, so I got a few of her glitters when she had the 4th of July sale. Yeah. And she also has a glitter glue, so I got that as well. Okay, so I'm taking Fairytale first, which is the glitter. Okay, and then I'm gonna go into Angel Wings, which is the pigment. And this is why I don't do purple. Okay, it never turns out the way I want it to. Like, this is okay, it's cute, but for some reason my pigments today wanted to get all over the place, and I mean everywhere. Like, it's all over my faces and my hair a little bit. It's purple is just not my friend when it comes to makeup. That's all it is too. Okay, so I'm about to get these purple looks out the way this week quickly as possible because I'm over it already, and it's only big one. I love this whole look. Over it. Over it.
Ryan Little.